Hi, this is Ashley Gorman, and I will be reviewing two different items on accessibility. The first item that I looked at was a Word worksheet on finding the volume of cubic and rectangular prisms. It is a worksheet that I use in my face-to-face classroom for students to review these concepts. A component that I found to be accessible is color. There is enough color contrast between the font and its background colors. I watched the video from pcc.edu and they suggested using sufficient color contrast. They changed the colored items on their example to black font with a white background. Components that I found to not be accessible were lists. My lists of steps to complete problems are not properly formatted with the tools within Word. This can cause confusion for students. The images also do not provide alt text. This provides readers with a description of the image and why it is important. It allows readers to understand the benefit of the image even if they cannot see it, since a screen reader can read it. I reworked the Word document and changed it to look like this. I think it looks better and would be easier for students to follow. I also provided alt text so that it could be read by a screen reader. The second item that I looked at was a PowerPoint presentation on using nets to discuss surface area. It is a presentation that I use in my face-to-face classroom to first introduce students to the idea of surface area. Components that I found to be accessible are color. There is enough color contrast between the font and its background colors. Although I feel that there is enough contrast, I would consider making the white words at the top of each slide a little bit bolder. Lists. My list of steps to complete problems are properly formatted with the tools within Word. This provides organization for students. A component that I found to not be accessible are images. My images do not provide alt text. This is something that I had never thought about when making presentations. It would definitely be something I would need to consider when providing students online education. These are my two items: the Word document and the PowerPoint presentation. It was interesting to compare them to the handbook and see where these documents fell. It will definitely make me think about how I organize and present materials in the future.